Okay, one of the things I wanted to show you on the Autodesk Inventor program is actually how to redimension an existing object or edit an object that you've made. So if you want to look up here real quick, I'm going to just basically make a quick shape. I'm going to open up a standard IPT, which stands for Inventor part. And I'm going to make probably a rectangular object of some kind. But I'm going to show you how to resize it after it comes up, because maybe for some reason you recognize that if you make a bed, per se, for a house, maybe it's a lot smaller than you actually anticipated it to be. I'm going to show you how to resize the shape so that it actually makes sense for inclusion in an assembly at a later point. So here's our screen. I'm going to go ahead and start with a rectangle. We're going to go ahead and make it, you see the blue symbol here? I'm just going to click one time, extrude it. You'll notice I didn't pay any attention to what it should have been as far as dimensions. It's going to make it, half an inch thick. Alright, now look, I could say I'm done right here, but I've already, let's say, realized that this object just isn't the right size. I can fix that. All I have to do is click on the top surface here and go over to Edit Sketch. Okay? It's going to take me back to the original rectangle that I drew up. I am then going to click on the word Dimension, and then what I'm going to do is say, well, I want specifically the measurement between the top and the bottom, or the height of the object, to be, instead of 0.9375, I want it to actually be, let's see, let's make it a full 8 inches. So I'll hit number 8, and then IN for inches, enter. Okay, I'm not done yet though. I also want to reformat or redimension the length of the object, so the distance between this point and this point. So I'll click between those two. And I'll double click on that number. Instead of having it be 1.875 inches, I'm going to have it be 60 inches long. Okay? Now, if you look at this, the object is completely different looking, but it's also customized to what I specifically wanted. I'm going to hit Finish Sketch, and now you can see that if I was making a bed per se, it's a lot longer and it's wider than it was before. And all I would have left to do is re-extrude it. Okay, that is how you redimension something that's rectangular.
Done.